Good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening, or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share, and play. Hi there, everyone. I'm trying out something brand new today. I've been playing about with some digitals, and what I've ended up doing is putting a few little kits together. So this is the first one that I have up for sale on my coffee shop. That's ko-fi, but there's a link in the description that you can go across and have a little look. And it's 16 pages all up, so I have note pages with little motifs and then background pages as well, so you can print them out double-sided, do a simple junk journal, or you can use them to mix and match with your other projects. They're pretty versatile, nice and simple, all in the same kind of theme, and just something that I thought some of you might enjoy. So this is a new little something for me, and I'd love to know what you think in the comments. Please drop me a line and let me know. And if you're interested, pop along to the coffee shop and pick yourself up a set. Take care. I'd love it if you could leave me a comment below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And of course, please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, keep creating. Enjoy.